Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own league in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And in the other platform or console it also become EA Sport FC 24. No more FIFA. Let's get started. So I want to make sure you have to level your account or your profile until 13. This is the minimum condition to unlock this league's feature. So after that you unlock this league feature, you can join the league. You can search the league that maybe like this. Your average level is 16. You can join this or apply this league. And also you can create your own league by tap this one. Creating your own league allow you to join up with other users and great rewards. You can create your league in here like logo and league name, and also this is condition require fans, the minimum and the maximum, and also require rating. So please create your own league. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.